Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Gemma and I'm going to take you through your circuits. So we have 2 circuits today. Each circuit contains 5 exercises. So we're going to do strength and then cardio, and then strength, cardio, and then strength, okay? So we'll do each circuit twice. All you're going to need is a mat if you want it for a little bit of comfort, and maybe some water. We ready to warm up? All right, so let's bring the feet out wide and we'll just start to rotate the spine a little bit. All right, we've got 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Bring the feet out wide, touch the right foot with the left hand, reach the arm up, switch sides. Forgot my lefts and my rights there. All right, let's see if we can keep the legs as strong as you can and reach up even more, opening up the chest even more, okay? One more each way. And walk all the way up. Reach the arms up, and then reach the arms down. So keep doing that, just reach up as high as you can, and then come down. Try to keep the legs flexed here. So don't just let them go, right? Flex them, reach up, and then reach down. We wanna warm up the legs before we run around. One more time, reach down, then reach up. Let's hop the feet in. Beautiful. All right, let's grab onto the left foot, pull it in, and then let go. Grab the right foot, pull it in, and let go. We'll do that a few times. Whew. One more each way. That was me almost falling over. Beautiful. Shake them out. Are we ready for this? You're ready. All right, so first exercise we've got is a low plank. So you're on your forearms and you're gonna tick-tock the feet. So you're gonna bring the foot out, tap, out, tap. I'm gonna move over a little bit. So out, tap, tap, okay? The second exercise is high knees. So we're trying to run and bring the knees up as high as you can. High knees, that's why it's in the name. Bicycle. So you'll grab your mat, left elbow to right knee, right elbow to left knee, okay? Bicycle, we got this. And then a shuffle run. So you're gonna run, tap down, run, tap down, side to side, as hard as you can, it's only 20 seconds. And then back on our mat, leg lift. So drop the feet, lift the legs, try to touch the toes, okay? We got this. That's your first circuit, we'll do it twice. Come on, we're ready. First exercise, we've got that low plank tick-tock. Not the tick-tock you guys are used to. Ready? Let's go. So try to keep the hips low. Every time you tap the foot, the core is engaged even more. All right, come on up. Woo. High knees, we're running hard, okay? 5 seconds more of a rest. Whew. Ready? High knees, let's go. Bring the knees up as high as you can. Get the arms into it. Yeah. Because we don't run around with our arms floppy. We run like an athlete. Arms are pumping. 5 seconds, come on. And rest, beautiful. We've got a bicycle. Grab your mat if you've got it. If you forgot what the bicycle is, elbow to opposite knee. You ready? Let's go. Try to pull your shoulder blade up off the mat. Woo-wee. Hardest bike ride ever. Try to push that heel. away. Come on up. We've got a shuffle run. We're going side to side. Excuse me. Side to side, touchdown. Ready? Other side. Come on, we're shuffling to get to the other side. Kind of like basketball, right? You want to be able to stay low and shuffle to mark your opponent. Yeah, oh, tap down. Beauty. All right, whew. Strength. We've got that leg lift, toe tap. Ready? Drop the feet. Lift them, tap the toes. If it's too much with both feet, drop one foot. It's all good to do. And then alternate. If you can do both, try both. One more. Oh, touch toes, quick, quick, quick. Yeah. All right, one more round of this circuit, and we get a rest. Whew. Low plank. Tick-tock the feet, let's do it. Don't look at the feet. We know they're moving side to side. We wanna look straight down. Keep the neck kind of straight. We don't wanna crank the neck by looking at the toes. You feel that in your abs? Oh, buddy, you should. Woo. Ooh, our abs are gonna be on fire. All right, high knees. 3 seconds. Ready? Let's go. High knees. Come on. I feel like I'm going slow motion, are you? Let's go faster. Come on. Faster. Come on, we got this. Woo, 5 seconds, come on. 1. Beautiful. Bike ride. Hop on that bike again. Let's do it. Ready? Let's go. Try not to let the back arch up, okay? We want to pull the ribs down, keep the core engaged, and work for this. We got it. Woo! Shuffle run. Come on up. Try to stay low. Go side to side. Come on. Are we tapping down or are we just going side to side? Tap down. Come on, get low as you tap. Get to the other side, tap down. Yeah, nice. Leg lift, toe tap. We get a rest after this exercise. Let's do it strong, come on. Drop the feet, control it up. Touch the toes, or the laces, or the shins. All right, whew, let's rest. All right, whew, take a breather, grab some water if you need it. It is a rest, but it's a short rest, okay? Just to catch your breath. So we have got Superman. We're here. Arms are extended. We're gonna lift and drop, okay? If this is too much on the shoulders, I want your hands here. Lift and drop. Then we've got butt kicks, where you're standing up, but guess what you're gonna do? You're gonna kick your butt. Okay, what gave it away? We've got plank to pike. So we're here in our plank. Push the hips up, push the heels down. Come back to plank. Push the hips up, push the heels down, okay? Plyo run. So, almost like a high knee, but single leg. We're here. It's like a skip, but you're trying to get your knee as high as you can. Squeeze the core to do it, okay? Use your core as much as you can. Side plank. We'll do one on this side. We're just holding it. We're not here, right? We're not going, oh yeah, I'm doing it. No, we're here and we're strong. And then we'll do the other side. You ready? Told you, our rest was small. You good. All right, let's do Supermans. Come on down, let's start. Arms extended, lift and drop. Arms back here, lift and drop. Think about pulling the toes and fingers to the back of the room. Do one more, and come on up. Whew. We got some butt kicks. So try to really push the heel towards your bum every time. You ready? Let's do it, come on. 20 seconds, we got this. Keep breathing, may go faster. Heart rate should be going up. All right, we can rest for a second. Plank to pike. So we're in our plank. And then you pike, okay? Let's do it together. Plank, push the hips up, push the heels down. Shift back to plank. Again. Just a little shift forward, and a little shift back. One more. All right, let's come on up. Those plyo runs. Remember, this is where we're at. Pull the knee up, okay? Pull it into your chest. Ready? Let's go. Come on, we got this. Pull it in and squeeze every time. We're almost done this workout. I want you to work as hard as you can. Come on. All right, let's stop. Side plank. You ready? Here's where we're at. If this is way too much, put a foot down. If it's still too much, put a knee down. You got it. We want to be really concentrating on the core. Keep the chest open. If you want to challenge yourself, look up at the top hand. Ugh. You get wobbly? Me too. Oh. All right, let's do it again. Woo. What do we have? Supermans. Let's come on down to the mat. All right, let's go. Up and down. Up and down. So it's a little movement, big engagement, okay? Engage the back of the body to lift up the front of the body. Oh, we got it. Nice. All right, last time doing these butt kicks. Woo, this workout's kicking my butt. You ready? Come on, let's go. Hit me with it. All right, 10 seconds. Let's go hard. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Plank, pike. We're in our plank. There's the pike. Let's go. Don't let the hips sag down. We want the hips to stop at the shoulder line. Good job. Push through the hands to push the sit bones up. All right, come on up. Those plyo runs, up and squeeze, okay? And if it's too much, the run, march. Ready? Let's go. Last time doing them. It's kind of like a skip, right? We've only got one more exercise after this. Come on. And 3, 2, 1. Nice. Last exercise. We're in our side plank. Ready? Come on, get up. Let's go. Yeah. If you need to bring a knee down, do it. If you can stay up, woo, for these last 10 seconds, really work hard to do it because you can. I know you can. I'm shaking too. 2, 1, drop. Woo! Good work. Should we sit down and stretch from here? All right, let's do it. Good work today. So let's sit, bring our legs together, pull your toes towards you, sit up nice and tall, and then just walk your hands down your legs. Stretch out the hamstrings. They worked hard today. All right, come on up. Let's bring the soles of the feet together. Again, sit up tall. And you can pull your ankles to straighten out your back and then lean forward. You want to think about pushing your knees down a little bit. Start to steady out your breath. Take real deep breaths, okay? Let's sit up. We'll lean back, bring your left ankle over your right thigh. So you're pushing your knee away, and then you can walk your hands up to sit up taller. Maybe you pull this leg in a little bit, okay? So you'll feel a big stretch, hopefully, in your left thigh or your left hip. Looks like we're just sitting hanging out, but this is a good stretch for your outer hip. Big breaths. Let's do a few more like that. Let's switch. Keep breathing steady. We'll do one more. All right, let's stand all the way up. Clasp the hands behind the back, pull them away from you to straighten out the arms, and then pull your chest up a little bit. Clasp the hands in front, push them away around your back. All right, come on, all the way up. Should feel real good now. Maybe we're sweating. This is good. Make sure to keep drinking some water. Stay hydrated. Good job. And sign back in again.